Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1985 Chevrolet Silverado, little short box Chevrolet pickup truck. Killer truck, guys. I actually sold this truck, I think it was about a year and a half ago, to a good customer of mine out of Kentucky. He's actually bought, I think, 3 or 4 cars from me, and he's just kind of thinning down his collection a little bit, so he actually sold this one back. But killer truck. I'm gonna call it about a 5-year-old frame-up restoration. From the paperwork that from my notes on the last time I owned it, looks like it's got about 2,500 miles on it since it's been done. Beautiful truck, man. Finished in Tuxedo black. It's got gray and black interior in it. You can see it's been lowered down all the way around. I hope I'm going to say this right. It's got a Mcgaughy's 4.6 drop kit on it. C-notched in the rear, drop spindles on the front. You can see it's got 20-inch US mags all the way around it. And just a killer little truck, guys. Slick paint, runs and drives excellent. Matter of fact, he told me that this truck never came to Michigan. He picked it up from my buddies down in Tennessee. Him and his daughter drove down there. She drove it 2 hours back home. Not really a whole lot you can nitpick, guys. That's a little bug. There's, you know, some little stuff like that. But really nice little truck. He said it hit the road great. Like I say, she drove it 2 hours home. Little stone peck there. Chrome and stainless are very nice on the truck. Pretty paint. Truck sits good. Really hits the road nice. A little scratch there. I dig it. Really cool truck. Again, I originally bought this truck out of Tennessee, dual chrome mirrors, but it never actually came to Michigan. I know that happened about 3 or 4 times this week, and guys are not very happy. Again, I apologize. I was on vacation, so videos didn't get done. Cars showed up and got sold without being advertised, and that always frustrates guys. It's got the bedliner, bedliner in it. Pretty truck, man. Scratch right there. Well, these little square body trucks, a couple of those might rub out there, guys. These little square bodies have just gotten hotter than heck. Although everything's hot. People don't want to restore cars anymore, and I can't blame them. You know, paint jobs are $15,000, $25,000. You're way better off buying these things done. You see how flat that thing is down the sides. New rubber, new wheels. Pretty truck. Clean underneath. Good looking truck. It's just a little wax. If you see that, guys, just a little wax on there. Power front disc brakes. Does have drop spindles on the front. Original 305 engine. Obviously they freshened it up. I believe it's a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, ceramic coated headers, 350 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes and air blows ice cold, cruise control, HEI distributor. Clean underneath the hood here. Turnkey, go have some fun cruiser right here, guys. Trim on the truck's real nice. Getting slick paint. See my bald head in there? Yeah, this is a clean old truck. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Look pretty good. Truck showing 99,000, so I'm assuming those are original door handles. Door skins are clean. Power windows, power locks, that all works. Bench seat, tilt column, again it's got cruise control. They have put a dash cap on it. 99,024, that's supposed to be your original miles. Factory dash, it's got a Retrosounds radio in it, that all works. Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory rear end, no big gear or anything like that in it. See some little marks on the bed there. You can see that tailgate's nice and clean there. See if I can do this with one hand. Good looking truck, man. Green underneath. Truck's got a good look to it, man. Leaving again this weekend for a show. Crack right there in your door pad. You know, hoping to buy some more stuff. I know they're getting gone quick. It's just tough, man. Everybody wants cars, and there's just not a lot of stuff that's out there available, to be honest with you. Again, little marks here in the door handles. Bet those are original. Really seems to hit the road good too, guys. You just kicked your air on, air blows cold. Just a good quality little square body here. That truck's just got a lot of eyes to it, man. Just looks good.
Got the clock hooked on.
The clock works. Holding good oil pressure. It's inside hood release too, guys. All the dash lights work. I saw all that stuff works. Backup lights work. Good sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. You have to check on the wipers. I don't know if they're working. I thought they worked though. We'll check them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.